Welcome back to another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. Today we're going to take a quick peek at a process called scratchboard etching. And the material I'm using is prefabricated scratchboard. You can buy this at any art supply store or you can order it from the internet. You can also make your own scratchboard. You can use oil pastels or crayons and cover it with ink to create your own scratchboard. Or you can get a hold of some clay board, which you can also buy at an art supply retailer, and cover it with ink and you can create your scratchboard. Scratchboard is basically an ink covered surface, and you scratch away areas of the black ink to reveal a color underneath. In this case, and most commonly used, is white underneath. So it's definitely a drawing technique, except you're thinking about things in reverse. You're actually having to create lighter valued marks instead of the typical darker valued marks. The most common mistake I see people make with scratchboard is they'll try to draw things like they normally do, and they end up outlining things in white instead of leaving the dark areas that would typically be the darker values. So you can see I'm kind of working in the lighter areas and working around that and thinking about the lighter areas only when I'm creating this. And again, this is just a quick little demonstration, a quick little sketch to show you how scratchboard works. Most common techniques used with scratchboard are line drawing techniques, although you can be creative and scratch off big areas if you'd like, but mostly hatching and cross hatching is used in scratchboard. I suggest you grab some and give it a try. It's been another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com.